Hey everyone, Carl Barnowski, Assurance Claim Services, and today we're starting a 3 or 4 part series on how not to run out of money if you have an insurance claim before you get your house put back to pre-loss condition. Sounds kind of weird coming from a public adjuster whose job is to get you that money, but ultimately you're the one that's going to receive those funds, and you're the one that are going to pay everybody that shows up to your house to help you. Believe me, if you have a water claim, you're going to have pack out companies show up, dry out companies show up, mold mitigation companies show up, restoration companies show up, and ultimately a general contractor who's going to put your house back together and rebuild that thing. Now, the goal for me is to get you enough money to pay all those people. The goal for you is to get to the general contractor or the last part of that process without running out. And I'm going to spend the next couple of days talking to you about how to get there and not run out of money. It's an important topic. Meanwhile, all you moms out there, I want to wish you a very, very happy Mother's Day. And again, if there's ever any questions that you have for me, please call or text me direct. That's my number right there. I always answer the phone, and I will always return your text message free of charge to call me for anything. Stay well, enjoy your weekend, and I look forward to starting this series with you.